Ex Excuse me. I will help you guard the treasure. I will cover you. And Indiana Jones will never get it. What an idiot. I'm gonna try now, like, climb this tree, see if I can do any better, see if I can get a better. Oh, yeah, oh, it really hurt. Did you just hear something? No, sir, no. Alright then. Idiot. What did you just see? Don't make me fire you. Okay, sir. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Dr. Jones! Dr. Jones! Yeah, that's me. Yeah, do you got a question? You will never get to the treasure. Oh yeah? Oh god, that really hurts. Yeah, and I'm gonna take your gun. What? No, you're not. Oh god. Yeah, I'm taking your gun, and you can't do much. Yeah, I'm taking your gun and stealing your treasure. Okay. Oh crap! Oh crap! Dun, 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 dun. Oh my feet are shredded! Oh no! Dun 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 dun. I gotta grab the treasure in time. Dr. Jones! What do you want? I wanna join your team. Alright, then go back and get the treasure. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Dun dun dun. Oh, I'll get him. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. I think it's broken. Yes, of course it's broken. Don't scream obvious things out loud. Oh my god, that's stupid. Let's go. But Dr. Jones, where do we go? We're in the middle of nowhere. That's what you think, kid. I know my way around town. We're not even close to a town. Oh my god, you stupid Nazis don't understand anything. Did you take the treasure? No, I forgot it. Go back and get it! Oh my god, you're such an idiot! Oh, I'm gonna fire your butt sometime. Alrighty, okay. Something fell. Alright, we never needed it. It was only a rocket. Alright, let's go. Treasure. I'm gonna check out and see what's in here. Oh my god, this stuff is so valuable. I should sell it to a museum. I am tired of you, Dr. Jones. You haven't even known me for 5 minutes. How can you be tired of me? I'm gonna kill you. I never wanted to go on your team anyways. They just told me to. And I never thought they would die. So I'm taking our treasure, you bot. No, you're not. What do you mean? Oh. Oh, damn. It's all out of bullets. I must have got a little carried away there for a second. Let's go. Dun da da dun dun da da dun 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 da da dun 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 dun. You click stop, I think.